Okay, Dr. Bill Andrews, it's a great pleasure to be able to interview you today. Thank you for agreeing to do that.
Thank you.
So you were at RAADfest last year. What did you think most about it?
I thought it was the best conference I've ever participated in. I like the socialness of it. I like the fact that it was alternated between speakers and entertainment. I've never seen a more fun conference. I'm hooked. I think this is the future of conferences, and I think you're setting a precedence, and many conferences are going to try to copy what you've done.
Yeah. Well, thank you, and thank you for being there. You contributed a lot to it, and you're going to be at 2017 in San Diego.
Yes.
Can you give us a brief idea of the exciting new information that you're going to be bringing to RAADfest 2017?
It'll be kind of an update on things that I mentioned last time, and mostly the gene therapy. The gene therapy is not available yet, but we are shooting for December of this year to actually begin studies, clinical studies of the gene therapy.
Well, that's big. That's big news in itself.
So I will probably be showing information that logically and both logically and using scientifically peer-reviewed journal studies show that it's the exact opposite that's true, that telomerase does not cause cancer. It's the lack of telomerase that causes cancer. And actually, telomerase decreases the risk of cancer by keeping telomeres long. It's the short telomeres that are a really big problem. Short telomeres cause mutations and cause cancer and every other kind of disease you can imagine. It's the problem we have now.
Well, I think that's very exciting in itself to be able to hear more definitive information on that, because that is a thought that's been going around a lot, that it creates cancer. So that's good to know. I'm excited to hear that information you've got. What is your single most important reason for you personally that you want to end aging and death?
Well, I love living.
Yeah, that's a good reason.
So I do have a selfish kind of motive here. I don't want to get old, but I constantly get super depressed every time I see some great actor or some person that's contributed great things to the world pass away. And I think, God, we can't afford to have that happen. We need to keep people around and keep them healthy.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love that thought. Yeah, I think that's really real. So along with being a very progressive and outstanding scientist, you're also a really great thought leader. What's your thoughts about why people should attend RAADfest?
Oh, well, RAADfest is the complete total of everything you ever want to do to extend your lifespan and health span as long as possible. It covers every single area, and including things like, well, besides what I'm doing, which is trying to cure aging, I think the exciting things are the whole brain emulation, which is essentially allowing your brain to be uploaded to a computer. I'm looking forward to hearing Ronald Kone speak on that, and hopefully some others. And then also cryonics. I'm looking forward to hearing Greg Fay speak about the updates on our ability to freeze ourselves. And both those things are like the fail-safe, so the last resort, let's say, to dying. I think those are the great things that I think we're going to be hearing about. And then there's also robotics.
Yes.
A lot of things. And then lifestyle, food, eating, all that stuff.
So how important is it, do you feel, to have a strong, united community moving forward to help end aging and death? I mean, you're a community-oriented person yourself. You told me yourself that you kind of felt for a long time you were out there by yourself, and now you're finding more and more people who think this way. And how important do you think that is to us to be united and to end aging and death?
Well, it benefits me tremendously. And my enthusiasm to continue my research is tremendously motivated by being a part of the organizations like People Unlimited and RAAD Festival. And so having a community of people that really understand it and really see what's going on, I think helps spread the word and let other people know that aren't part of that community already to here's a community you can join and help promote this whole field and maybe research funding will come along better
Exactly.
than in the past.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you very much. Well, so I've asked you these 5 questions. Is there anything you'd like to add to in closing that I haven't asked you, or you'd like to say on any personal note to let everybody know more about you, or anything?
Well,
You
I've said this before, but RAADfest is like the Woodstock of
yeah,
music,
yeah,
or Woodstock of biotech.
yeah,
It's people that attend are not going to just learn a lot about what they can do for their health, but they're going to have a lot of fun. And then the speakers will be there during the whole time, not just when they're speaking. And so people will get an opportunity to talk to them one-on-one even.
yes, yeah,
I know I'm looking forward to that. I love talking to people one-on-one about what they can do to extend their lifespan and health span.
yeah. Last year I saw you out there continuously talking to everybody, and that's what so many people came to me and said they enjoyed that kind of interaction. So, well, thank you very much, and thank you for all the great work you're doing. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at RAADfest.
All right, looking
All
forward to
right,
it
thank
myself.
you, thank you.
Okay.